Cool, we just finished up this Razor 900 4-seater. I want to make a video for you guys so you can check it out. Beginning of the riding season, so happy riding season to everybody. Everybody's going out to Dumont this weekend for Halloween. Go out there and be safe, but just wanted to show you this install we did. Some pods we made. Auxiliary input. Made a dash plate after cutting the dash out for trim it up. Kind of match the contours of the vehicle on the dash. Here's the rear of the pods that we made. Got a billet clamp for it, bolted into there. On the front side we have some Rockford 6-inch marine black. Same thing on that side. Some SMD red LEDs around the edges. And for amplifier, we're using the Rockford M600. We have 2 of the channels are bridged and the other 2 are stereo for the front and rear together. Basically running at 2 ohm stereo. Turn this guy up for you.
Lost dog, killing and backstroking what that happened. Deep rock, attaching the name with the recipe called for black and raw ingredients. Maybe too much herbs and spices. Maybe you got hungry for the.
Now for the fun part, go test it.
Watches go chain, nigga. $100 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on a plane, nigga. Buying gear, flying here. Fuck what you heard, it's my time of year. If I'm in the club, I get 100 stacks. I'm always rolling up, so I can cover that. The niggas stole my swag, but I don't want it back, my niggas. I was on this, but now I'm on to that. You see it in my closet, for it's on the back. But this shit they claim it don't mean nothing. It's straight from Cali, that's what's in my joint, that's what I'm puffing. OG, it been one since I was young enough to know that everybody was gonna know me. Most niggas don't see the bigger deal. Money you bought, so much I gotta go to Costco to get my toilet paper. Hit so much, fit so much, put the pistol up, I'ma get so nuts. Remember, keep it safe and he can take a chill pill, real deal, kill pill. But that ain't the reason that I still spit real ill. Niggas ain't got no lyrics when I hear it, I'm like, what's up with that? Everybody wanna copy me, so I'm dropping them up like I'ma be drama free like my mama be. Suicide before I let a nigga ride on me, that ain't comedy. I didn't get it, I don't have to get it, any AK, I call him Mission. And he got a sister, heating him up, make me skip blisters. Go chain, nigga. $100 champagne, nigga. Yeah, my money insane, nigga. Yeah, I'm making it rain, nigga. But I was just on a plane, nigga. Buying gear.
And that's what's up. Now you know what time it is. Thanks for checking us out, Audiotistics Apple Valley.
I kick it till I can't wait. Captain overcome, oh hum hum. Go get my gun.